What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats that just released today. The release that got pushed back for Foot Locker and a couple other stores to February 1st, but today I went to Foot Locker and they had them, so I went ahead and used my military discount and I used my coupon. I got these things for $150, man. Super steal. So if you guys are ready for this review right now, what I need you to do is hit that like button right now and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, and ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video or live stream that drops on the channel, man. And head over to Instagram right now and follow me at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. So all that being said, let's jump right into this review and on feet over these Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, man. Let's get it. All right guys, so I went to the mall today and I went to Champ Sports because I didn't think that Foot Locker would be getting these shoes. But I was like, hold on, let me just go check Foot Locker real quick and see if they got them. And it turns out they did, and I was able to use my military discount and my coupons that I earned with the rewards program at Foot Locker, man. So shouts out to Foot Locker for this super steal, man. Different box. It's not something we used to seeing with our Air Jordan 4s. Usually we get a gray cement on the lower of the box, and on top we got something different as well. We got a black Jumpman that's super huge, and we got the flight under the Jumpman on top of the box, man. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway, and of course it is black, and light graphite, man. These retail for $190. Like I said, I got them for $40 off, so you cannot go wrong with that. Let's go ahead and pull them out real quick. Enough with the box, black tissue paper, and this review is gonna be very easy, man. So it's all black, but on the official colorway they add another colorway in there called the light graphite. You know, graphite is pretty much black and grayish or whatever, so you kind of see where that graphite is, especially on the Jumpman on the tongue right here, as you can see, and the flight lettering down there. This shoe did not come with any extra laces, but I can see you throwing in any laces you want to, honestly, as long as they ain't too crazy. I can see some yellow laces in here that will go super fuego with these. But for the quick review, man, let's check it out. It's pretty much an all nubuck upper, man. Check it out. And on the back you got your pop out Jordan logo right there. You wouldn't get any Nike Air or anything on the heel tab, but that would have been super crispy if they did throw some Nike on the back. But like I said, you can never get what you want with Jordan, man. They're gonna drop what they want and they're gonna get their money, you know what I'm saying? So here you have it. This is the first time that this shoe has re-released or restocked or retroed, if you want to call it that. It's crazy how I want this shoe for so long. I think the shoe released back in like 2004, 2005, something like that. A long time ago when I was a kid, man. I didn't know anything about them, but I grew up always seeing these shoes around, man, the Black Cat 4s, and I always told myself I really wanted to get them. I knew it was gonna re-release. It was due time for this shoe to come back out, and we finally got the Black Cat 4s again, man. So super dope. I had to cop it. I was gonna wait till my pics got on for, you know, that $150 whatever dollars, but like I said, Foot Locker let me double dip and use my military discount and my coupons that I earned with the rewards program at Foot Locker, man. But yeah, man, check them out. On the back of the tongue you got Air Jordan right there, of course. On the inside of the shoe, of course, regular cardboard shoe tree. You have that graphite black colorless logo on the insole right here, as you can see. You got your side sticker right there and an all black insole, man. You know, the netting is all black right here. The net on top of the toe box is all black, as well as the inner of the shoe, man. And even with the air unit on the midsole, man, you can see inside that it is black as well, man. So super crispy shoe, all black. You can't go wrong with it. You can wear this with anything, man. You guys make sure you stay tuned for the lookbook. I will have a couple of Jordans in there, and I will have a couple Yeezys to show you guys pretty much how to style your Jordans and Yeezys, man. So stay tuned, hit the notification bell right now for your boy. Along with the black air unit, man, of course the midsole is all black as well. Check it out. And last but not least, man, we got the all black outsole with the white Jordan logo on the bottom, man. They could have just left it black, but it will be black eventually, because I know a lot of people gonna be wearing these shoes a lot because they go with pretty much anything, man. So check it out. That is it for this review over the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very quick, very easy, because it is an all black shoe. The upper of the shoe is an all nubuck suede-ish material. I don't know what to call it, but it's nice material, I must say. And these shoes will definitely be getting some wears, man. So thank you guys for tuning into this review. Make sure you hit the like button right now if you have not already. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, man. We're on that grind of 30K. Help your boy out, man, by subscribing, liking, and giving this video a share on Instagram. I have a lot of shoes on my website still to sell at DeVintageWorld.BigCartel.com. It will be linked down below. Get you some very near dead side kicks for super cheap. All the shoes on there are going for under $150, man. So go check it out. It will be linked down below. And also, guys, if you don't mind, please head over to Instagram and give me a follow. It will be linked down below. And with all that being said, man, we're about to jump right into this clean on feet over the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, man. Let's get it.